Hi, I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine.
And we are...
What? On the on-ramp?
On the off-ramp.
Or we're on safari.
On safari. And today we are heading to Ngorongoro Crater.
Wow, yes. And we're looking forward to that. It's a famous spot to see animals that are all in its own ecosystem.
Yeah. I don't know what else we can say about it.
Join us.
Join us. Hopefully you'll see some unique things today. And we're looking forward to sharing our story with you. Please take the time to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, ring the bell for notifications, and leave a comment. We'd love to see what you think of these safaris. Is it something you'd like to do? Is it something you've done? What's your favorite animal on safari? Here's the first viewpoint of Ngorongoro Crater. What a sight to behold.
By the volcano. This is the collapse of volcano which formed this caldera, because it's a caldera, but people call it it's a crater.
Oh, but it's actually formed by a volcano.
It's a volcano.
So it's the inside of a,
It's inside. It used to be a big mountain, like almost like Kilimanjaro size. It's formed with the caldera. The wall of the crater is then about 600 meters, 610 meters, and in the eastern part of the crater, it's not the round, it's the oval shape.
Oh.
So in the eastern side of the crater, it's 17 kilometers, and in the southern part of the crater is 18 square kilometers. And the circumference of the crater is 264 kilometers.
oh wow.
It's a big area. And when you look at the eastern part of the crater, there's a stream, like by those trees you see that goes up.
Yeah.
There's a stream that brings the water, the fresh water, into the crater. Into this.
We are staying at the Ngorongoro Crater Serena Lodge. And this is our hallway. We're in room 48. And this is room 48. And this is who meets me at room 48.
This is amazing.
Lovely walk-in bathroom. We'll get a good shower tonight.
Wow.
Yeah, this is
Nice place for
this
luggage.
is
I
quite
like
the
this.
room. Yeah, a luggage stand for our clothing.
At this point, we're going to get one night here, but
Oh yeah, and this is our room. It is a big, beautiful room with a patio that goes outside. Mind your step. And out here is Ngorongoro Crater. And here's some of the facilities. So tomorrow we are actually going to go down into the crater and take a drive through and see what we can find in there. And that'll be the last of our safari.
and that rim is the other side of the crater.
Yeah, that's the rim all the way around the crater. So it's an old volcano that is long since shut down.
And it has its own ecosystem.
And its own ecosystem all the way down there. So we are looking forward to seeing what we can see down there. The only thing we have left to find is a rhinoceros.
We hope to get a rhinoceros.
That's right.
Or see one, I should say.
Do what?
I should hold the camera.
No. He was looking at you. He's pointing at you again. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and Lorraine is still fast asleep. But I'm waking up to this. We are inside the Ngorongoro Crater, and it's giving us a view of we're on a hill here and just overlooking the crater, and it's giving us a view of what we can all see. And as we're here, we're greeted by an eagle and a vulture facing off over a little piece of meat. But we're going to be taking a trip around the crater and seeing what kinds of animals we can all find. Some are hidden, some are not. And this is going to be all new to us. There are two small black dots in the distance, not even visible to the camera, but we saw them through binoculars. And there were two rhinoceroses that were once further apart and are now quite close together, we shall say. It looks like it's springtime here in Ngorongoro Crater. And I think this will be the closest we will see a rhino here in the park.
Saline Lake, we are witnessing tons of flamingos and hippos, but this hyena was something to watch. It is slowly walking towards what must be, I don't know, he's expecting dinner, and in the far side of the lake is a hippo that we guess is dead, because there's a whole pile of other hyenas feasting on that hippo, and this hyena is making its way over to that hippo. Okay, so this is what the inside of a safari vehicle looks like. We've got Malaki, our friend and guide, showing Wade something that he's seen out in the distance, and then Wade catching it with his camera. And so this safari vehicle seats 6 people, has lots of pockets to put things in, but lots of room for just Wade and I and our stuff. And we have seen lots of animals and seen lots of neat birds, learned a lot thanks to Malaki's training and expertise in a lot of areas. And so he uses his binoculars to help us see a few things. And so this has been really fun, being able to do this in the safari vehicle, and we can't wait to see all of Wade's pictures.
So today is one of the few times that we've been able to get out of the vehicle just to kind of stretch our legs and get out. Our lodge at the Serena Lodge at Ngorongoro Crater packed us a lunch, and we were going to eat them outside here, but the birds are so bad they're actually attacking the people that have lunches and stealing their lunches from them. So we're going to eat inside the car and kind of relax a little bit, and then we're going to get ready to leave the crater.
There's only one way in and one way out of the crater. Both are very steep roads covered with cobblestone with great views. But one problem is that they're one way, unless of course you are one of the workers here, or it's an emergency. Heading back to Dashir Lodge and Safaris, and we know that they've got a few more day trips and excursions planned for us. We're so excited to find out what those are. We want you to keep following us. Hit the like button, send us messages, leave a note, and one thing we know, as we move forward, we need to hold our plans loosely.